Recurring charges. To access this window, click on Accounting Functions and then select Recurring Charges. Recurring charges are fixed service fees that are applied to your owner's statements on a set frequency of your choosing. Examples of recurring charges are your monthly management fees, lawn care, pest control services, or any other charge that is billed to your homeowners on a monthly basis. To add a recurring charge, click on Add. A new line item will appear in the Recurring Charges panel. Specify the contact or vendor, the owner account category, and then the description. The contact category and description is what will appear on your individual homeowner statements. So the description is basically a description of the transaction. Enter the default amount, which is the normal rate that you apply to your owners. You can override this on a per owner basis. Does this recurring charge for monthly pool service, for example, apply to all of your properties in the system? If so, check this box. If you do not charge all of your owners for monthly pool service, be sure to uncheck this box, and then the Property Chooser panel will appear here on the right. You'll then add the properties that apply to the monthly pool service recurring charge. To add properties that applies to the highlighted recurring charge, simply click Add. But in order for this panel to appear, be sure you uncheck the All Properties box. Then simply select the properties that apply to this highlighted recurring charge. We've selected Graham Rodriguez, but we don't charge Graham Rodriguez $75 for pool service. To override this amount, simply click on the column and enter the new amount. Since this is a debit to the owner's statement, make sure you enter a negative sign in front of the amount. Continue adding properties that apply to this highlighted recurring charge and make sure that you specify the amounts. Again, if it is a debit to the owner for recurring charges, make sure you enter the negative symbol in front of the amount. When you are ready to process your recurring charges to a monthly statement, specify the correct month, the correct year, highlight the specific recurring charge, and then click Process Selected Charge. A notification will appear letting you know that the recurring charge has been applied to all of these properties at these set amounts. To repeat, make sure you select the correct month, the correct year, and highlight the specific recurring charge. And then click Process Selected Charge. A message will then appear to inform you that all charges have been applied to the owner's accounts you have entered here at these set amounts. The system can automatically process recurring charges for multiple properties all at different amounts. If you would like the system to process these recurring charges automatically, enable this setting, the Process Automatically setting, simply by checking the box. Once you check the Process Automatically box to enable this setting, specify the months that this recurring charge applies to. So, on the day of the month, in this case, the first of every month, the system will automatically process this recurring charge to these properties at these set amounts. After the system has automatically processed the recurring charge, you can view a log. The log will show when, the date, and the time the process or the recurring charge was automatically applied.